10,000 tick trap. 10,000 tick trap. 10,000 tick trap.
Pandas. Pandas. Pandas, 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 pandas. I got broads in Atlanta. Tits in Dublin and Atlanta. Pandas, welcome to the stream. Good morning, guys. Good morning, good morning. Bill 7, good morning. Make sure you guys scalp that like button. Always reminding us what's good. Good morning, guys. Good morning, good morning. Mawashi, good morning. Mo 7, good morning. Wayne Bickle, good morning. Mo 7, I'm long one micro wide stop. All right. Good luck. Happy Camper, good morning. Cracks. Welcome, welcome. Mike Richardson, good morning. Hugh, good morning. Black Light Jesse, good morning. Ruben, good morning. Hansman, Bobby C, Blue Steel, welcome back, Blue Steel. Kyle L, like. Money, money, money. Pandas. If you haven't checked out the new montage yet, please check it out. Free Paper Cuts, good morning. Rooster Roaster, good morning. Welcome, guys. Welcome, welcome. Thanks for joining. Thank you for joining. Pandas. Top left of your screen. We are up 1985 on each account. Goodness gracious, Pandas. We're almost in payout city. And this time I'm gonna live there. I'm not gonna just visit, I'm gonna live. We're gonna settle down, change our address, get in that zip code, get residency there, whatever it takes. Basically, I took one off-stream trade. During the stream, I took Big Mama, but during the stream, it was just terrible price action. This is what it looked like. This is the 5-minute chart, by the way. And then finally, saw a second entry long on an uptrend coming off our trend line and 20 EMA. Decent signal bar, though it was an inside bar. You can see that I got tricked. I really did get tricked here. Let me get rid of this for now. I got tricked here a little bit. So I went long one contract and I got stopped out because I saw the reversal. I didn't like to stay in the reversal. But then when it comes back up and I see that the reversal has potential to fail, I re-entered in. And then from there, I held it for a nice 1, 2, 3, 4-point swing. And then you can see one more exit up here for a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9-point swing. So pandas. That's why we're currently up 1985. This was a 5-minute chart setup, by the way. And like I mentioned, I took it because we're off our trend line and also off the 20 MA. Quick look at the daily chart. We're always in long. We have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bull bars in a row. And bulls are not scared at all. They will buy anything and everything right now because they'll buy pullbacks. They'll buy with limit orders near the bottom of the previous bar. They'll buy up here. They'll buy at the close of the previous bar. They'll buy near the 20 minute. They'll buy on the bear bar even. They're going to buy everything and anything because they know that any pullback at this point most likely will be a small pullback and they have high chances to come out at least break even. So they're not scared, right? They have a safety net with, unless this A tops and just goes straight down, and even then they're willing to hold it for a couple bear bars down, and it really depends on their tolerance. But basically their stop will be down here, like their wide stop, but they're most likely will come out around this bar here, this breakout bar. That's what the daily chart bulls are doing. So I say that because that could potentially help us figure out that today might be a bull trend day today. It will help us decide maybe on the trend of the day. It could, potentially.
Five-minute trap.
Good morning, guys. Good morning. Make sure you scalp that like button. Anyone else get slaughtered in the chop yesterday? Panda, great work on your accounts. Blacklight Gypsy. Oh my god. Marcus Vaughn, good morning. Emmanuel Martinez, welcome. Yeah, I could put a poll up. See how well you guys did yesterday. Market just open, pandas. 5-minute chart, there's a gap that may want to be filled. It looks like it's making a beeline straight to fill this gap. Goodness gracious. Okay, L4 setup on 10,000 tick. We're just on a straight line, no setups right now for the 2,000 tick chart. You can see the trading range indicator marking this as a trading range. And now we're at the top, now near the bottom of it. Trying to fill the gap, still haven't yet on the 5-minute. Five-minute here, it looks like about 5 points away. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 3 points away from filling the gap. Danny Boy Trader asks, if Apex approved my payout for November 15th, I should expect the money in my account on the 15th, or it may take longer. If they approved your payout, you should expect them to take the money out within 2 to 3 days of your account. But then you won't see it in your bank account. Like, you'll see it come out of your Apex accounts maybe within probably 1 to 2 days, 1 to 3 days. And then you'll see it added to your bank account anywhere from now till the end of the month. Or sorry, from the payout to the end of the month. Or the approval to the end of the month. Small pause here. I would love a second entry short if I could get it. I would love it. Second entry short. Please, take it. Or give it to me. I'll take it. A, B, C. Expander, good morning. Peter Joe, good morning. Tate, good morning. Bobby C got chopped up. Yeah, I mean, even during stream, I was mentioning, it just it felt very choppy. It was just not much that I could do. You know, when it looks like this, there's just no setups. No setups. It's very difficult. Early signs of it, it's just all these doji bars. I mean, even during stream, I just said, you know, I'm not gonna trade this. You can kind of see it just basically when you don't have a setup for a very long time, and finally when it does move, it just goes right back into chop. It was very difficult to stare at it and wait for a setup. Right, your patience or your mental capital gets drained very quickly as you keep staring at the market. Especially if you have the mentality of like, I need to get one trade in. You know, like the scalp a day keeps the boss away. It's not meant to say you got to get a scalp every single day. What it just means is that if you can make on average just, you know, if you just stick to your plan, you can make on average a scalp a day. And it doesn't mean that you got to take a trade every day, but it's just all things considered, losing, winning, skipping trades. If you stick to the plan, it should pretty much be like a scalp a day. Just going straight down, no setup along this entire way down. Even though we had a clear target, which is filling the gap on the 5-minute chart, with a strong bear bar ending on its low like this with some follow through, you're thinking maybe this could reverse here. Right, we could have a bear day today. On the daily chart, it'll just be a bear bar in a string of a lot of bull bars. Doesn't mean the ultimate trend is going to be bearish, but for today, we can have a pullback, sure. And from the looks of it, the 5-minute chart just giving a strong bear bar, and you're just seeing there's follow through, which there is. And really, at the end, it's going to be two bear bars underneath the 20 EMA is what you're looking for. At that point, then you can kind of confirm the downtrend has actually commenced, potentially. Bobby says, now you tell me. I tried to tell you during stream. I did. I really did. Okay, it fills the gap on the 5-minute chart, right? Beeline to it. Get two bear bars like this. Some bears will say that's enough for me. There's about 50-50 chance that this can reverse and just explode to the other side, which is actually pretty good odds, or that's pretty good probability seeing how much it can go up. For me, I like to wait a little bit. Typically, I like to wait for the first 5 bars on the 5-minute chart to really get a good sense. If I see a setup within there, it's fine, but within the first 5 bars, you get a better idea of what the day is going to be like. For instance, the 5-minute chart. We're the first 5 bars on yesterday. It was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 overlapping bars, or pretty much 6 bars within a very tight range. So you could say that most likely we're going to go into a trading range, and we did do that for a very long time. And in fact, we go down, right, and then we come right back up to basically closing break even. Not break even, but on previous day's close or the high, really, or really the close. If you know, we pretty much close near previous day's close. But the whole point is, look at the first 5 bars. You can get a sense of what kind of day it might be, and it continues to be like that kind of day. Even when it does reverse, it's still pretty choppy all the way up. Even the second entry long was choppy. It took very long. It took a long time for this to even, scalp out to swing. This is just a straight line down. Right now, the 5-minute chart is on the 20 MA, perhaps even on this trend line. Gonna see how it reacts to it, and yeah. Blue still got chopped up yesterday. Yeah. You know what? I honestly, a younger panda would have got chopped up yesterday because, and the thing is, this is where like your fire and your passion kind of goes against you, because you're so into trading. Like for those who just started and just super into it, that kind of hurts you on days like yesterday where it gets super choppy and you can't get away from the charts because you're so eager to trade. You just love trading. You just, you're basically enamored by it, and that's where it kind of goes against that passion actually goes against you, and where experience comes in hand, where you can skip very choppy days and recognize them a little earlier, and be okay with not taking a trade for the entire day. Like, I go into every single day saying to myself, I do not need to take a trade today. And then during stream, of course, I want to make some content, so I end up doing some dumb trade. 2 bear bars. Pandas. Think about the bears. How they feel. They feel confident. They want to enter short, right? Always in short. Bulls. They do want this bounce right now, like they're saying, off the 20 MA. This is what they want to see. But bulls will see these 2 bear bars and are very scared of what might happen, and they're ready to capitulate. But they are seeing a bounce right now. It looks like the bulls and bears are fighting right now. Right on the 20 MA on the 5-minute chart. For me, I would need 2 bear bars underneath the 20 MA to really feel confident to start going short, at least on the 5-minute chart. Right now, there's no setups on the 2000 tick. I'm just staring at it. This is a break a trend to new high with an 8L4 setup. That's actually a fairly nice reversal setup here on the 10,000 tick. Notice 10,000 tick already has 2 bear bars underneath the 20 MA. Do I want a second entry short here, pandas? It's such a strong move down. I don't know. I simply don't know. It looks like I want to get back to the previous day's close on the tick charts. Do I want a second entry short? I hate this. No, this is no man's land for me. 20 EMA and 240 SMA. Right? When it starts to get between these two moving averages, to me, it's very difficult. It's just, I don't know. I don't know. This is kind of a no man's land for me. Right? Bulls are happy right now. 2 bear bars, no follow through on that second bar. But we gotta wait for this bar to finish. But they're happy because it's bouncing off a support trend line and also the 20 EMA. Chop city between the EMAs, yep. Like, you're probably gonna see it like bounce between here for a little bit. And when I mean a little bit, it could be a lot of bit. Okay, first entry off the 20 MA with a nice looking signal bar. Potential trading range starting to develop here because we're squeezed between the two moving averages. No entry. I mean, I'm looking for a second entry, and that's a first entry. With a nice signal bar coming off a nice resistance in a downtrend. Even though it might make money here, it's just there is a better setup awaiting us. Let's just say that. Let's just say you can only take one trade a day, pandas. You got one shot. You got one opportunity. Wow. After 43 votes, almost 50% of you guys said your trading was 1 to 3 yesterday. Whoa. See, pandas? You wish you guys stocked up on BBM 90 evals because of days like yesterday chopping you up. When will we ever learn? You gotta take advantage of those evals, and everyone can say, oh man, like it's gonna, we might get another one later. Most likely we will, but there's a long, 2-3 weeks is a long time in trading, especially when you're day trading. So it does scalp out. Thoughts and prayers to those who got chopped up, though. The mom spaghetti trade. This is the mom spaghetti. Ah, that's funny. The mom spaghetti. My sweater already. If you could take one trade, what would it be? It's not that. I'll say it's not that right there. Trust me, you're not that trade. You're not that trade. Trust me, you're not that trade. Look at this. This is like perfectly just getting wedged here. I wouldn't be surprised if it goes up here. Just getting wedged. Big old wedgie. Man, at least we got the half resets. Yeah, those are nice. It's really nice, especially if you have the larger accounts. Like anything above, like I believe the 150K, it's better to just do the half reset than the 90% is always better. But if you're compared to the 80% off, then actually it's better to do reset. Right now, 71% off. Almost all of it's almost the same price as resetting. Buying a new 50K account is almost the same price as resetting, essentially. At 71% off. So this first entry is all you could get here. There's nothing more. And bears or bulls are disappointed. Right? This is all they got. This is the bounce they got. And now we got more follow through on the bear side. We get 2 bear bars underneath the 20 MA. I'm ready to call this a bear trend day today. And it could be one of those days you literally just hold, you just sell and you just hold it. It's the end of the day, or until like 10 to 20 points. Or it just goes up forever now. You never know. It's true, you never do know, but what you can do is use price action to figure out most likely what will happen. And that's all you really have, right? You gotta find the things that most likely will happen and then do that thing. And if you lose, then you lose. The 2 bear bars underneath the 10,000 tick chart is what really this downtrend is just. The bears love that. What do I want to do here? I don't know. I have a feeling, an icky feeling, a sus feeling, that a second entry short here will betray me. But you might have to try. I might have to try it. It's such a strong downtrend. I want to enter short some way or another. Okay, 5-minute chart showing a little hesitation to really drop here. Give me a second entry short and I'll take it. I don't think the market's gonna be so kind though. The market's already decided, let's just go short forever and leave bye-bye money out. Trap him out. Ooh, pandas. Pandas. Second entry short, potentially. Give me another push up. Give me another push up and bounce off the 20 MA for me. You can do it. Okay, pandas. What? A, B, C? Is it a miracle? Will we actually get a second entry short here? I have the strangest feeling this is going to betray me. I need give me a nice signal bar and give me a touch off the 20 MA. Okay. I doubt this one's gonna be a nice signal bar. The next bar I might have to wait for one. Ooh, just taps off that 20 MA. Second entry short, pandas. If you had one shot, one chance, one opportunity.
10,000 tick trap.
Oh. This is it, pandas. Is this it? Is this the one? Give me good signal bar, please. Signal bar, bit sus, but the risk is not bad. The risk is only about 2.5 points risk. Ooh, that signal bar closes above 20 MA. I don't think we're gonna get it. That's a hard second to short. Give me a close beneath the 20 MA. Give me a close beneath the 20 MA. Come on, you can do it. If we don't get a close beneath the 20 MA, I just cannot take this trade. Whoa, what's going on? This market is very wiggly. Very wiggly market. Why are you wiggling everywhere? The risk is so small, pandas. The risk is so small. Probability is so low as well, though. Yikes. But, you know, I'd rather do this and not confuse me than potentially, you know, give me like a weird setup here. This makes it very easy for me to skip. So, skip. And as a 20 EMA and the 240 SMA converge, we start to get this kind of big down, big up here. I wouldn't be surprised if we do get a trading range still. 5-minute traders, right? Bears are disappointed. Bulls are happy now because we still kind of bounce off the 20 EMA and also the trend line here. Good morning, guys. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Skip it. Skip it. Black Light Gypsy says, I'm outing. Nothing is flattening. Check on the rhythmic. Try to cancel on the rhythmic. Interesting. Got a trap trade here. I don't like it. I'm not taking this trap trade.
10,000 tick trap.
I'm not taking it, pandas. Be my guest. You can take it. I'm not taking it. I see a potential trap on a 10K chart, pandas. And this could be big. This could be a big trade here. I may take it. I may take it with one contract and swing it. Swing it not to the heavens, but to the hells. Let's see though. Let's see. Trap about a trigger. Trap triggers. I mean, it's an okay looking trap though on the 2K chart. I would rather see this trigger fail and trigger the 10K trap. And I'm in the 10K trap. That 10K trap looks really good, right? You got to break a trend to new high with the L4 setup. Coming off the 20 EMA. It's a good looking trap on the 10K chart. And it's going to be hard to resist this one. In fact, I'm going to just set it up right now. The risk right now is 1, 2, 3, 4, and around 5-point risk. But I'm looking for a 1-to-1, and I think this is a good setup here. Like, I want this to trigger and actually come back down. Or it can just reverse and rocket up. Whichever it wants to do. I thought the better setup was waiting for this trap trade, so. But no joy. Currently, at least. Oh my god. Oh my god. Woo, all right. Sorry. Sorry. Hey, okay. We consider this like this now. We'll read it like this. It's a break a trend to new low. Trap trade working out. Gonna cancel this. No joy on that. I thought it was a better setup to wait for. And apparently not, right? We're getting a reversal and it's working out. A bit confusing for me on terms of where we are in the trend. It looks like a reversal and uptrend now. And this trap was a good setup for that. I just, when I see a move down like this, I can't but help thinking this could be a bear trend, and so I'm not going to try to go and reverse it. Maybe if we look to the left, it could have been some sort of double bottom here, giving us a better hint that this is going to just reverse and rip off the faces of all the bears. We're heading for Big Mama again here. Interesting. Big down, big up. Okay. But the 5-minute chart ultimately really just gets saved by the 20 MA and this trend line. Really, it's just an uptrend still, and that was a small pullback according to the bulls. At least that's what it seems like. Okay. Maybe spoke too soon. What's going on? Whoa, 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 whoa! What's going on? Truly, what is going on right now? This is very confusing. Okay. Okay. Whoa, this is weird. Hmm. The market wants to be confusing. It's doing its job. By the way, pandas, I'm Bye Bye Money. Thanks for joining. Anyone who's new, make sure you guys scalp that like button. You're currently watching the most profitable trader on YouTube, Verify. Top left of your screen, we are up 1985 on 4 accounts, which brings us up to a total of almost $8,000. Almost $8,000. Can you believe it, pandas? We're almost in payout city. If you guys don't know, we are trading with Apex, trading risk-free with Apex. And in order to get paid out, these are funded accounts. In order to get paid out, we need to get to at least $2,600 in profit, and the starting balance on these accounts for 50K. So we're about $600 away from payout city, and slow and steady wins the race, pandas, and we're gonna get there. Hopefully, you guys took advantage of that of that BBM 90 code while it lasted. It lasted till yesterday, and so hopefully you got stocked up, especially if you have a tough day, or even if you have a really good day and you pass your eval. What are you gonna do? Just twiddle your thumbs? You know, you want to get another eval. You want to get funded with more accounts. So hopefully you guys took advantage of it while it lasted. But if you didn't, currently it's BBM 80 for 71% off. I know it's a little weird on the number, but honestly, you could use any of my codes: BBM 50, BBM 80, BBM 90, whichever one. They all will give you the same 71% off. In fact, they will give you whatever promo is standing. So use that for 71%. Also, 50% off resets right now, and no code needed for the resets. It's just automatically applied. We like to trade pure price action here. I trade 3 charts mainly: 2,000 tick chart, the 10,000 tick chart, and the 5-minute chart. And if you want to know what chart I'm looking at currently, top right of your screen, you can see the time frame or tick frame. Kellyanne, welcome, welcome. Now we're beneath the 20 MA, and as these MAs converge again, it gets a bit confusing, right? You get this big down, big up, big down again. Confusing for me. I think the bulls are trapped. What do you say? Right? They saw the strong bull bar, 2 bull bars above the 20 MA. Bulls came in strong here, came in hot, and probably bought the close here. And now it's reversing on them, so they're trapped here. And they're probably going to reverse if they see a strong bear bar or 2 bear bars, right? Strong bear bar ending near its low on the 5-minute chart. Ooh, with a little follow through. This could be it. We can decide soon. I don't personally think we're going to have a trading range day today. I do not. I don't think this price action warrants choppiness, right? This is not choppy to me. This doesn't look like choppiness to me. Actually, pretty nice swings throughout this entire trading. I'm not gonna jump to any conclusions though. I gotta wait for a setup still. With the L4 setup reverses, we got a trap trade here. I'd rather wait for a 2-legged pullback. Trap trade, good signal bar as well. Again, I'd rather wait for a 2-legged pullback. And we never got it. This could be the beginning of the bear trend. The beginning of the ending. In the beninging. You guys know what that is? In the beninging. It's probably one of the funniest clips I've ever seen. In the beninging. This is the beginning of the ending. Of the ending. We do have news at 2 p.m. We had news at 8:30, which didn't do anything, but we do have news at 2 p.m. If you are looking for potential big news to trade, to pass your evals in one fell swoop, next week, Tuesday, it's the CPI numbers. That's the big one. And the 5-minute chart, like I mentioned, when the bulls saw this and they're trapped, they most likely will come out, and now it's creating a super strong bear bar. That's a surprise bar almost. This is the trap. I wanted a 2-legged pullback. Plus, the trap didn't quite touch the 20 MA. It wasn't the best setup, but the context was good, right? Like, I was eager to go short. Maybe a little too patient there, but I'm looking for a short trade now. I'm looking for a second entry short. I'm looking for really any short trade at this point. Give me a setup, please. Please, please, please give me a setup. Is the market closed tomorrow? It is not. Tomorrow is Veterans Day, but market doesn't care. Market does not care if you're a veteran or not. Black Eyed Juice says, I was at the hospital yesterday, and guess what? One part of the hospital is named after Michael Chin. I mean, of course. Think about how much money he makes. Never losing a trade in his life. Eric Hill just hit the famous $1,200 green to red rotation trade. Everyone's favorite trade. It's one of my favorites. There is no FOMC today. That is fake news. Jerome Powell will be speaking, but it's not FOMC. It's at 2 p.m. The 5-minute bar creates this pretty strong bear bar, but look at it. Bounces right off 240 SMA. I'm still interested in a two-legged pullback. Give it to me. Please, give me that two-legged pullback, and I will participate. Let's do it. A, B, C. I've been patient enough here. I think it's my time to shine. Let's get our setup. Pretty decent, strong downtrend. We're getting a two-leggy here. Right, even better, right? If the second leg triggers with a signal bar like this. I was afraid 5-minute traders would go always in short now, not giving me an opportunity to get in with a second entry short. Pandas? Pandas? Pandas! I need that second leg up. I need that second leg up. I need this A, B, C. Right, first pullback, first entry, second pullback, and I need the second entry, so I'm looking for Pandas. I don't think I'm gonna get it. Too good to be true. It's a too good to be true setup, maybe. Come on, give me one more pullback here, and I'm in. Off the 20 EMA, beautiful signal bar. I'm willing it, Pandas. I'm willing it. Name it and claim it. Come on. Come on. No. The reason I'm saying no is because if we break this low here, our accounts reset and we lose our two-leggy. By the way, if you want to learn how to count legs, I have videos, I have playlists. Oh, wow. Double bottom. Yes. That works for me. I don't mind this double bottom, right? Because my legs are still counting. Okay. Interesting. 5-minute chart. Double bottom. Micro double bottom. On the 240 SMA. Man, oh man, oh man, oh man. Give me a nice signal bar off the 20 EMA, please. Don't let this be my second entry short looking like this. I may have to take it still. I'm so eager. Just one contract. I'm too eager to skip this. I would like a better setup off the 20 EMA. It's an ugly setup now. It's like an inside bar with a terrible like tail underneath it. Meh. At least I can recognize it's not a good setup. Right? At least that's the first step. If you're gonna enter a bad trade, at least recognize it's a bad trade before you enter it. The problem is, why would I enter a bad trade if I know it? But at least I can recognize it. It's a low or high second inch short. Sorry to. It's looking better actually like this. The only problem is, like, is this bouncing off the 240 right now? Like, it's perfect micro double bottom here on the 5-minute chart. Pandas, I'm willing it. Give me a good signal bar. Give me a good signal bar off the 20 EMA. Name it and claim it right now. Goodness gracious. It's not a good looking signal bar, but I'll take it. The risk is small enough for me. I actually like the fact that it tries to break out there. If it reverses, I'll like that even better. Name it and claim it, Pandas. Name it and claim it. Give me a good signal bar here. It's going to turn to a bear bar near the end of it. It's going to turn to a bear bar. Ooh, it's ugly. Ooh, that's not a good looking signal bar. Ooh, I don't know. I don't know what that's about. Ooh, bear bar. Yikes. I'll take it. I'm scared. Oh my god. I'm scared. I'm definitely scared here. I'm a scared bear. Ooh, I'm scared. It's not the best looking signal bar, but it's small risk underneath the 20 EMA. And that's enough for me. Almost triggers. Glad it didn't, because it doesn't. Now it's a terrible signal bar. That's your new signal bar. Pandas. I mean, that's a really bad signal bar. The quality of that signal bar is bad, right? It's a bull bar. You want it to be a bear bar. You don't want to close above the 20 EMA either. I gotta skip this, Pandas, unfortunately. Or do I? This might create a good signal bar here. Ah, man. Thoughts and prayers. I need your thoughts and prayers, Pandas. I'm gonna need them. This is super sus. 1, 2, 3 overlapping bars in a row now. I'm just eager to go short. Hope it doesn't bite me in the tail. Okay, I'm in. That's not a good sign. Right when you triggers and it reverses like that, that's typically a bad sign, Pandas. Typically. Right, it basically gets you in by the tick. It's like a reverse tick shot. It's gonna get me. It's for sure gonna get me. It's a reverse tick shot. Gets me in the tick, and then just rips it off. Rips off my tick. Wow. 2.5 points. It's not the worst risk. It's only one contract. I gotta take a chance at this downtrend. Right? Second entry short. At that point, it's 1, 2, 3 overlapping bars in a row. You could have skipped it on that alone. Plus, the signal bar is still not the best. We're still in this trade though, pandas. Like, it's not over till it's over. I'm getting a 1-to-1 on this trade. It looks like it's gonna trap. I do not want it to trap though. It's like 90% chance I'm gonna stop out here. A 90% chance I get stopped out. Oh, pandas, pandas, coming back down. Pandas, pandas.
5-minute trap.
Ooh. Ah. You thought it was over. You thought it was over. You thought it was over. Stick to the plan, pandas. Stick to the... Oh, what's going on? Why would you do that? Why would you create a strong bear bar and then trick and tease me like that? Give me a 1-to-1, please. 1-to-1. Almost. It gives me a 2 point. It gives me 2 points. Come on. You can do it. 1 tick. You can do it. I'm swinging this. This has officially become a swing trade for me. Five-minute trap is the reason why. 5-minute trap if it triggers. We're in a swing trade. Potential nice swing trade here. We're in the swing. We're in the trap. Ooh, pandas. This could be a really strong move down. This could really be a strong move down. Ooh. You can do better than that. You can do better than that. Oh, what the? You can do better than that. I know you can. I believe in you. It gives me another push down here. I'm going Super Saiyan. Give me another push down. Super Saiyan mode. Ah, what's going on? What's going on? No! Triple bottom? Micro triple bottom? Stay strong, pandas. Stay strong. Stick to the plan. I could have scalped out, but I'm officially turned this to a swing trade because of the trap on the 5-minute chart. Give me another push down. I'm turning Super Saiyan on. Give me another push down on the 2K chart. I gotta let the 5-minute chart finish. The 5-minute candle, I gotta let it finish. The risk is not too big. I have a really good entry on this trap, right? The risk is basically up here. I have a really good entry on it. I like it a lot. I like it a lot. I don't mind losing this trade because the potential is huge here. Give me another push down, though. I'm turning Super Saiyan on. Oh, one more push down. Oh, come on. What are you doing? Excuse me. Excuse me. Wrong way. This way. Downwards. No. What? I will not be shaken, pandas. I will not be shaken. Just breathe. Absorb the energy. Absorb the... Let's go, baby. Super Saiyan. Pandas. We are in a swing trade. And I don't know what's happening. But we got another push down here. Hopefully we can break this low. That's what I want. I need to break this low. I want to put my trade to break even almost. But I'm gonna let it dance a little bit. I'm gonna let it marinate. Let it marinate before coming out break even here. Or taking my risk off. I want to break this low before I put it to take my risk off. Otherwise I need a little more time for this to marinate. I believe, at least. It could create a second entry short here, which I wouldn't mind. Why is this being so tricky? Pandas, come on. No, come on. Pandas, thoughts and prayers, please. I need your thoughts and prayers. What is going on? Second entry short, please. Second entry short.
Trap.
Second entry short. I know you want to create a second entry short here. Pandas. Yikes. Micro triple bottom, perhaps. This is scary now. It's getting scary. Ultimately, I'm only really losing, $25 on my accounts, but my threshold would lose about 300, which sucks. I would not lose about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 points of threshold, which is $300. Ooh, second entry short, pandas. Pandas, second entry short. Second entry short, pandas. It just needs to break the... Pandas? Second entry short? Second entry short, come on. Come on. Come on. Good signal bar 2. I know the bears are still in control here. Let's go, baby. I think I'm going to take my risk off because at this point, it might actually create a trap if it reverses here. And I do not want to hold it into a trap. I think we're okay, Pandas. I think we're safe. Pandas, are we safe? Pandas! Pandas, I think we're safe. I think we're in this swing trade. I think we got a good entry on it, too. Ooh. Ooh. Time to get some bamboo. Time to get some bamboo. Let's swing this, Pandas. I'm ready to swing this. 10-point swing. Don't mind if I do. Give me 10-point swing. Push. 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 Pandas. Pandas, 10 points. I'm looking for 10 points. I don't know what you're looking for, but I'm looking for 10 points here. 5-minute minimum 1-to-1 right here. Ooh. Pandas. Come on, keep making new lows. I need new lows. Don't reverse on me. Don't do that. We're just getting to know each other. Why? Why? Why would you do that? Are you sure you want to do that? Are you sure you want to come back up here and take me out? Are you sure? Please don't take me out. We just got to meet. We just met. We just met. Why? Why? Please. Just run for me one time. Give me a runner, please. I gotta hold it, Pandas. I gotta hold it for the content, right? I gotta hold it. I thought I was gonna get stopped out up here. Whew. I just hate the fact that I'm losing threshold here. Right, 1, 2. I'm losing 4 points of threshold. That's $200 in threshold that I could potentially be losing here. Give me a lower low, please. I mean, I love the fact the 20 EMA is acting as an obvious resistance here. I love that. Give me a lower low. Or lower high. Give me a lower high and a lower low. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. That's a lower high now. Ooh. Come on. Give me new low. It's struggling. It's just it's trickling right now. I'm not gonna lie. It's doing that little trickle. It's on trickle mode. It's on trickle mode for sure. I don't like the look of this. I really don't. But for the content, pandas, I need that swing. I want a swing trade. I'm looking for 10-point swing, pandas. I mean, this looks bearish, no? Like, we're bouncing off the 20 MA. Just every bull bar is giving me mini heart attacks. It's making me lose confidence every time I see green right now. At least when the bar closes on its high like that, I hate that. Oh my god. Oh baby, 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 baby. Oh baby. Melt time, melt time. Time to melt. Come on, give me melt time. Ah, what is that? Weakest breakouts of all time. What is that? What is that? What is that? Is that even a breakout? Ooh, trap trade. Ooh, trap trade. Oh my god. Push! It wants it. It wants 10 points. Come on. I know you want 10 points. I know you want to go Melt City. Super Saiyan! Pandas, what is going on? Why do you keep reversing on me? Why do you keep reversing on me? I'm gonna just put it above every pivot now. I just don't like a strong reversal to all of a sudden happen here. I still think this has a lot of juice, a lot of fuel in the tank left. I'm gonna protect some profits here though, pandas. Protecting some profits. I'm using pivots here now. It looks like it might take me out here, unfortunately. 2.5 points. I'll take it. 2.5 points, pandas. Sorry. That's all I can get. I just didn't like it. I didn't like how every breakout looked very weak. And, yeah, you know, it is what it is. But, I'll take it. Got that bamboo. Man, it tick shots me, huh? It would tick shot me. It's all good though, Pandas. I don't mind. I don't mind. It's all good. It is what it is. Got my 2.5 points. Could have got more. I don't know. I wanted 10, but I just did not like how this looks. It does not look very like it's just trickling. I hate that. Very choppy. I just didn't want to just all of a sudden reverse on me and take me out at break even. I wanted to protect some profits there. It does tick shot me here, and if it keeps going down, Pandas, that is the most tilting thing that could happen. Hopefully, in a sense, I kind of want to bounce back up now because I'm out of the trade. I want it to be a good, good stop here, but man, it is going to continue to go down, it seems like. Oh, man. Premature stop, huh? Marcus Vaughn just finished his 25K account. Let's go, baby. Hey, congratulations. Joey asks, have you experienced any of the recent tech issues? Yes. We had one, I think, was it earlier this week or last week? But Apex was amazing. It was last week. And Apex did everyone right. They had a rhythmic issue. And they restored everyone's account, funded or eval, up to the highest point of the account of the day that the rhythmic issues happen. And honestly, I can't ask for any more than that. Cannot ask for any more than that. That's amazing that they will be willing to do that. They're literally losing, right, because of the rhythmic trade or rhythmic issues. They're willing to lose like probably tens of thousands of dollars because they're restoring everyone's account to its highest point. Pandas, I think I got tick shotted there. Man. I should have held it, man. It hurts. It hurts to see the potential I could have had here. All good though. All good. We're up over $2,000 though, Pandas. That's the thing to celebrate. We're about 500 away from getting it into Payout City and making residency there. We want to become residents in Payout City, not just visitors. Man, strong bear bar on the 5-minute chart ending like this. You're thinking always in short still. Yeah, definitely premature on that. Darn, it is what it is. Of course, this is all profits I could have made. 1, 2, 3. 3.5 points of profits missed. Hindsight bias. You can always see how much money you could have made. But the 2.5 points, I mean, it's not bad. It's not bad. It's not the worst. All things considered, seeing how choppy this is, I just feel like, yeah, I just wasn't confident. I could enter a second entry short here, though. It's an ugly looking second entry short. Man, I gotta stop looking at this. I gotta stop. No reason to cry over spilt milk, right? I'm out of the trade. It is what it is. We move on. We move on. But darn, I like to see where 10 points is. I want to see if we hit 10 points. This 10 points right here. It is close. It is mighty close to 10 points. I might take one more scalp here to get to the 10 points. I might take a trap trade here. Trap trade. It's greedy. It's FOMO. No FOMO, no hobo. I'm gonna stay away from it. I got my scalp from it. Moving on. I did lose a little bit of threshold here. I lost about 1 to 3.5 points of threshold, which is a little more than $150, which is not much. It's okay. It's nothing. To me, it's a spike in channel. Kind of have like the spike and the channel started to form here.
10,000 tick trap.
I was breaking above the channel. Oof. Okay. My break even is up here. So let's just say I said either I hold to 10 points or I come up break even. Wow. That skunk doesn't look so bad anymore. Yep, that skunk looks pretty good now. It's a good... Oh, actually... My break even would have been +1, so I would have got stopped out already. Right, I would have done break even +1, so this blue line is where I would have got stopped out. Maybe get tick shotted here. Continue to the downside. Almost can get another entry here. If you still like this downtrend, you can still go short here. I like a setup though. I'll prefer an actual setup. Blacklight Gypsy asked, that makes you feel better, huh? Yeah.
10,000 tick trap.
No, why would that make me feel better? I love it. I love the fact that I made some profit there, then getting taken out, tick shotted right there. It's essentially a tick shot. Give me a lower high. I may be interested. Jonathan asks, why did you lose threshold? Yeah, I lost threshold because Apex accounts for unrealized gains. So even though I still made profit here, Apex still considers the profit that I made unrealized when it comes down to here. They still account, they calculate that into the threshold. I may be interested in a lower high. Definitely on the 5-minute chart, the spike in channel is a little more obvious to see.
5-minute trap.
Ooh, lower high? No, no lower high. I wanted a lower high. Look at that tick shot, pandas. Like, it's... I would have entered that trade. Literally, I would have been exited out of that trade right on the tick. That would be more infuriating than this. Oh my... Oh my god. Oh my god. My god. What in the world? That's wild. I'll take a lower high here though. I'm interested in a lower high because a 5-minute needs to make a 1-to-1. It like needs to make a 1-to-1. It's not even an option here. It misses about 1 point. I mean, the target is a 1-to-1 on the 5-minute chart for certain. I mean, just look at the 10,000 tick chart. Like, this looks nasty. It's just chopping its way down. 5-minute chart as well. I would say it's pretty much chopping its way down. My god. Can you believe that? Tick shotted. I was thinking about re-entering here, basically where I came out of. But then I would definitely have held it to down here. If anything, this might start going to a trading range. The price action is looking more like a trading range type price action. Mawashi Trade says the only time of each day that I have to trade is 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. But I still managed to pass 350k evals one at a... My man. That's actually really good. That's amazing. Kyle L is still in the house. He's usually done by now. Okay. Okay, pandas. Okay, pandas. Can you fault me here for taking this? Can you really fault me here? For yes, this is a terrible signal bar. Ooh, lower high setup. Double bottom at this point. Trading range indicator telling me it's a big old trading range here. I wanted to go short, but I'm not sure anymore. It looks more like it's converting to a trading range of anything at this point. All right, Penis. Hey, you got one shot, took one trade today, and I'm up 125. Good news is we're up 2,000 on each account, Pandas, and that's good news. We're above 2,000, so we're well on our way to Payout City. Hopefully by tomorrow, maybe we get there. No, tomorrow's a little too soon. But hopefully by mid next week we'll get there, and then we can get our payouts here for these accounts. Pandas, trade safe, everyone. Stick to the plan. Good things will happen. And as always, happy trading. God bless. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
10,000 tick trap. 5-minute trap, 10,000 tick trap.